I'm at Oakland Lake Park, looking at Fosdick Lake. Alright, rained a lot last night. I don't know if it rained enough to cause Fosdick Falls to be falling a lot of water. We'll soon see as we cross a Fosdick Bridge. Okay, I hear water falling. Oh. I don't know if you can see it. I can barely see it. Look at that roaring waterfall. Probably the biggest waterfall in Fort Worth. Well, let's continue on. Never understood why we need railings at the side of this sidewalk. It's not like you're going to fall into anything. And yet there's this bunch of rails. I don't know if bunch was the proper word for that. Yeah. That's enough of that.